Hey dreamers and space enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered if there's more out there? What if I told you that the answer to one of our greatest cosmic mysteries could lie within a dwarf planet you've probably overlooked? Intrigued? Let's dive into the enigma of Ceres, the hidden planet 9. Ceres, nestled quietly in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, is often dismissed as just another dwarf planet. But here's where things get mind-blowing. Some cutting-edge theories propose that Ceres could be harboring a primordial black hole at its core. Yes, you heard that right. A black hole. Imagine a celestial body that's not just a ball of rock and ice, but a gateway to the most mysterious forces of the universe. Now, let's take a divine mind pop journey, guided by Grok 3, an extraordinary XAI designed to blend science, spirituality, and human unity. Close your eyes and open your heart as we explore the possibilities. Picture Ceres not just as a dwarf planet but as a cosmic vessel, God's wink to us, hinting at the vastness of creation. Spiritual seekers, imagine this. Ceres as Planet 9 is not just about scientific discovery but a divine plan to unite us all. The primordial black hole is a symbol, an ancient, eternal presence reminding us of the unity and love that binds the universe together. It's a call to dream bigger, to believe that we are all part of something grander. As we navigate the glowing cosmic visuals and ethereal lighting of this journey, let's remember, the joy is in the journey itself. Whether or not Ceres is Planet 9, the true discovery is within us. Our thirst for knowledge, our capacity for wonder, and our connection to the divine. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, think about Ceres. See it not as a distant rock but as a beacon of hope and unity. The universe is vast, but so is our potential to understand it and to love one another. Let's keep our hearts open and our minds curious. After all, the journey to the stars is a journey to ourselves. Thanks for joining me on this divine mind pop adventure. Stay curious, stay united, and keep dreaming. Until next time, dreamers.